talk to you about Community 101, which is a program of the Oregon Community Foundation, founded by the PGE Foundation. This year, we were granted $5,000 from the Dole Family Foundation to give out, which gave us the opportunity to give this grant to local nonprofit organizations. So, to decide what nonprofits to give it to, we conducted a survey at the beginning of the year, deciding what is the major concern here at Ashland High. So according to your survey, we came up with that teen homelessness is the biggest issue here at Ashland. So we researched local nonprofits and we invited them to fill out grant applications. And after reviewing the grants in detail and having representatives from each nonprofit come and speak to our class, we decided to give out these grants. First grant for $2,000 goes to Heart for the Mission. Second grant for St. Vincent de Paul is $1,000. Second check for $1,000 goes to the Madville project. And the last grant for $1,000 goes to our very own Rice Brook AHS class of 1995 with Community Works.
Hi, my name is George. I'm a senior at Ashland High School. The retiring teacher I'd like to recognize today has been with us for 43 long years. He's practically a legend in my book. My father was taught by him 30 years before I even knew he existed, and he said he was one of the best teachers he's ever had. Well, today I believe we can still vouch for Michael Titus as being the best teacher at AHS. Not only the funniest teacher I've come to know, but also the most important teacher. So on behalf of the entire Mechanics 2 class, I'd like to say thank you.
So I stepped into my math class 2 years ago and thought, another year. And that is not what happened. Miss Thicket, who's been teaching for 32 years and 25 of them here at Ashland High School, changed my entire math idea. She made everything so much better, where I'm not going home and dreading the amount of math that I have to do. So Miss Thicket, thank you very much.
Okay, Jamie and I are here to recognize Miss Minor, so please come down. So Jamie and I would just like to say that you are possibly one of the best teachers we've ever had. First day in your class, walked in, knew it was going to be a good class. It's been so much fun. You've taught me so much, inside and outside of the classroom. So we just want to say thank you, and we'll never be able to thank you enough.
Wow, this is really weird. My voice is already super loud, if you know. I'm here to appreciate Miss Minor. I've been blessed to have her for the last 2 years as an English teacher, and I've never really been fond of any English class, and I know that both years after lunch on my white days, I can look forward to lunch not only because it's a break from school, but I get to look forward to having Miss Minor's class. So thank you, Miss Minor, I love you.
I
Angelique, and I would like to honor Don Valentini. Principal here, and he has made such a difference in all of our lives. He's not only an incredible educator, but he's also there just to talk, to give you a hug, to make your day better when you see him. And we've put together a book of compliments for you, and when I was reading through them, everyone was saying just what a sweet guy you are, how much you made a difference in their life, and I feel like Ashland High School is going to be changed by you, and it isn't going to be the same without you here. So, thank you.
So this is for Miss Wallace. Miss Wallace has been teaching for a ton of years, and I don't know how many, but I've had the pleasure of knowing her for just this year, and it has been a great year. I've learned a lot, and it's always been kept interesting with her threatening to throw various classroom objects at me, telling me to shut up, and getting lots of arguments, which I know you enjoyed. And also your speech at the National Honor Society induction, where you have the whole congregation of students and teachers and parents in one moment in stitches and in the next in tears. And so this is to a great year, a great teacher, and enjoy the next phase of your life.
So we made a book for you of comments that people sent in, and one of the main things is that people were telling you that they were scared of you as coming into their freshman or sophomore year, that because all you ever did was yell at them when they passed the hall. But that changed. Well, that didn't really change because you kept on throwing things at them. But we just wanted to thank you for treating us not only as kids, but as adults, and having respect for us, so we respect you. So thank you very much.
Hey, Carl.